Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Information reaching us from Warri indicate that the royal rumble at the Olu of Warri's palace between the Olu of Warri, Ogiame, Atuwatse III, and the derobed Ologbotsere of Warri Kingdom, Ayiri Emami, might be coming to an end. Last week, the Olu of Warri was at the sacred Ologbotsere Hall in Shekiri, the ancestral headquarters of the Shekiri nation, where he offered prayers for peace, progress, and prosperity of the Warri Kingdom. Ogiame Atuwatse III also used the opportunity to invite Ayiri Emami to meet him at the AKUGHA, which is the royal palace in the city of Warri. This peace move by Ogiame Atuwatse III is coming several weeks after the Ooni of Ife and Arole Odua, His Royal Majesty Oba Adeyeye Enitan Ogunwusi Ojaja II, visited Warri Kingdom, where he recognized Ayiri Emami as Ologbotsere of Warri. What could possibly have led to this renewed move for reconciliation? Could it be the influence of the Ooni of Ife, or could it be that in the spirit of the prayers for peace at Ologbotsere Hall in Shekiri, the Olu of Warri now wants to unite all his Shekiri sons and daughters for the promotion of peace and prosperity in the Shekiri nation? Well, inside the Niger Delta, we'll continue to monitor and report the developments surrounding the royal rumble in the Olu's palace in Warri.
Inside the Niger Delta,